So today I wanted to run through with you the importance of leaving your car in a gear when you're parking uphill or downhill. So when we use our parking brake, this is applied, it is holding the two rear wheels. And these aren't always reliable, so it's a good fail-safe option to leave it in an appropriate gear and have your wheels facing the appropriate way to avoid your car rolling. So first of all, just a brief explanation of how it's actually going to work. So when the car's in neutral, the engine is completely disengaged from the wheels. So when we have our car in gear but the engine isn't on, the compression in the cylinders will resist the movement. Now this should be enough on most mild hills, but it might not be enough on a steep hill, so make sure you are using the two together. Now first of all, what gear are we going to use for parking uphill or downhill? Now we're going to use either first or reverse because we want the highest gear ratio. With the highest gear ratio, the wheels are at a mechanical disadvantage. So if we're parking downhill, we're going to leave our car in reverse. We're also going to turn our wheels in towards the curb. So this way, if the car starts to roll forward, you've got the curb line also acting as that support with your wheels only going in as far as they can towards that curb. When parking uphill, you're going to go into first gear and turn your wheels away from the curb so that if we go back, you'll get a nudge from that curb line.